Tight. And Amy, as we bring you in, the view that they must have as they're re-entering, you know, our planet here, our atmosphere is just incredible, and it's just the timing is just wild. Right?
Meantime, they come in more clearly than any Zoom interview I did during the entire at-home reporting.
Like the next room. I mean,
That's
come
so
on.
true.
Are you kidding me? And like this, I love it. Anyway, our best to them.
So dignified and calm.
Maybe we got to call SpaceX for the.
I think you're right. I understand. They're right there.
We may need to take a cue from their composure because we've got a lot to talk about with the weather coming our way. By the way, there's splashdowns happening over here, nowhere near the storm, and they made the adjustments necessary to make that happen. For us, waking up to cloudy skies, it's humid. A heat advisory for the city. We're at 77 right now. Yesterday's high 88. We get pretty close to that again today. And there are also the threat of storms for parts of the area. So thunder showers, especially north and west. We've seen some severe weather on Pennsylvania. I'll show you that. And those are the storms coming into northwest New Jersey. And then we've got Isaias, this late impact Monday into Tuesday with flooding, rain, and wind. A lot to pay attention to. Also, a full moon coming in tomorrow, so that could affect some tides, the rough surf, and erosion. This is the heat advisory. Basically, over into New Jersey, what we're looking at is the combination of temperatures pushing the upper 80s and high humidity once again, but everybody's hot. Looking at the showers right now, Ramapo stretching back into Stroud. This is just a beginning of the showers. The severe weather is back here in Pennsylvania. Wow. Out of Allentown, look at the radar signature. We've got a bit of a hook here. This is where we've got a tornado warning that's going until 7:30. It's the area in bright red here, and likely they saw the evidence on radar, but potentially seeing some of this on the ground, or maybe some verification for people that live in the area that have water rescues with the heavy downpours there overnight. Severe weather in yellow. This is the biggest risk zone. The National Prediction Center, Storm Prediction Center, has put us in that category, and we're already seeing it. So heads up for what's coming. Looks like downpours could be up to a ½ inch to an inch of rain in a short amount of time. Again, these storms have a history of producing flooding rainfall, so that's why we're paying close attention to them. And the severe weather is also potential. We've got all the ingredients in place. Lots of moisture, humidity, and a little lift this afternoon. We could see some of those storms continuing. Looking at what's happening with this tropical storm, downgraded, right? So that's good news. 65-mile-an-hour winds, not as potent of a storm, but still it has plenty of punch with the rainfall expected to come out of the Bahamas. They've been measuring 4 to 6 inches of rainfall. Lots of warnings and watches posted all the way up the shoreline. And the storm will make landfall for the Carolinas tomorrow, Monday into Tuesday. We'll watch it as it comes into our region, producing 2 to 4 inches of rainfall. And again, that is on Tuesday. Find a way to stay cool early on. Keep an eye to the sky north and west to see about those showers that do develop. We'll be watching them on radar, and you've got the alerts on your phone from AccuWeather. There's the flooding rainfall potential on Tuesday, and our temperatures are in the mid-80s for the rest of the week. All right, you guys, back to you, Michelle.
All right, thanks so much, Amy. Coming up in sports, the Mets try to get back on the winning track against the Braves, and the Yankees take on the rival Red Sox at the stadium.